What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. I call this huge trade live for free. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. So as you can see here, I personally took 2 positions. This one we entered during the London session live. So we go to Thursday's live stream. You'll see us break this down and take this trade live. The first position was a huge 1 to 5-ish reward. The second position was a nice 1 to 2, almost 1 to 3. So that means whatever I risked on this specific trade, I made 5, almost 6 times that amount. So I risked $100, I made 5, almost $600. If I risked $1,000, I made 5, almost $6,000, and that's in one trade alone. And then this one, same thing, I $200 to $300, or made almost $2,000 to $3,000. So let's go ahead and break down why I took this trade, my mindset behind it, and basically how you can catch a similar move just like this. So first I want to show you the signal. This was a members only signal, but again, I broke this down live during the London session live. I send the link out every single day. Everybody's got the option to watch it. And of course, I also dropped that weekly chart analysis where I broke this down as well. But the members always get the first signal of the day. If they take 2 or more, then one of those is going to go into the free Telegram. That's just how it works. Members get priority. This was the personal entry, 8820. You see the date was still the same, January 4th. You see this right here, January 4th. See the personal entry, TPs, the time the trade was entered, 3:53 a.m. again during the London session live. And then of course you see all the TPs getting hit. And I continue to hold this for another day because price consolidated but stayed above the support level, and they continue to push up as you can see. So now let's break down why we even took the trade. Now the first thing you want to do before taking any trade is you want to go on the daily time frame. Before I lose y'all, I'm not saying we're trading on the daily because obviously we was just on the 15-minute time frame, but you have to start off on the daily to identify the trend. Now, if you do not understand how to identify the trend, pause this video and watch the one that just popped up. That's going to help y'all out because if you do not understand how price works and how to read the charts, you're just going to struggle with trading. But the reason why we do it on the daily time frame is because that's how price moves. Price moves on a day by day, week by week, month by month basis. You just hop on the 1-minute chart, you're not going to see what price has been doing not only for the entire day, just a couple hours, and you don't even know what it's been doing for the week or the month. Like we can see right here, price started this downtrend in August, and that continued all the way to September. Then this consolidation started in October and then ended all the way into December. That's multiple months, right? And then the downtrend began again at the end of December. So again, when we see the bigger picture, we understand what's most likely going to happen. Because again, we're looking for high probability, high quality setups. So now that we know we're in a downtrend, we need to see what part of the trend we're in. So again, we had this consolidation, price broke below that, started making lower lows. And then again, we see right here that price was struggling to break the support level and treat it as a resistance. So again, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Price struggled to break this level, treat it as resistance, and make it another lower low. So then we see this day, price rejected up to the upside. So once price rejected to the upside and failed again after 6 days straight to go down and make a lower low, what do you think is most likely going to happen? Again, price can do only one of 2 things, go up or go down. So pause this video and watch this video, and this is going to go over how to identify reversals as well as the rules to the reversals. So since price broke to the upside, now is when I want to mark off my key price levels to see if it can hold the nearest level as a support. And that's exactly what we did right here. So now that we have the key price levels marked off, again, we want to enter buys off support, enter sells off resistance. So from here, I'm waiting for price to do one of two things: either break above this level, hold that support where I can go for a buy, or if it rejects this level, I'm gonna wait to see if it can break back below this level, hold it as a resistance, and go for a possible sell, where we could possibly see price break the support level right here. So this is when I'd go into the smaller time frame to patiently wait to see what price does. Now, obviously, we see here price broke above this level and it's holding it as a support. Now, I wasn't going for a trade at this time. We didn't get back on the charts to London session, so let's go ahead and fast forward to London session. But notice how it's still respecting this level as a support, which is a good sign that there's still some bullish momentum. It could probably look for a possible buy setup. But now we look right here. So this was midnight. Again, London session starts 3 a.m. EST for me. So let's see if it will break back above or it's going to reject down. Because again, I wasn't awake at this time, but looking at the charts, again, I'm only going to go for a buy. Price can hold this level as support, or I'm going for a sell. Price can break below this level and hold it as a resistance again. Boom. So when London session started, which was right here, we see price pushed back above and broke back above this level and started to treat it as support. So once I saw price do that drop, then push all the way back up and failed to hold this as a resistance, that gave me more confidence and gave me the thought that we have a higher likelihood of price going to the upside. So that is when we went for a buy after this retest candlestick right here. Then as you can see, we just had to let price do its thing, and the rest was history. Right? Then you can see how I reacted to this resistance a little, broke above it, retested, consolidated a little bit. I held it into the next day where we saw price continue to push and then wicked my next level here. And it's literally that simple, y'all. Again, we do not control the markets. We only control when we enter, how much we risk, and when we close a trade. So those are the only things we control. That's why it's important to patiently wait for those confirmations. But on top of that, go with the flow of price and what price is most likely going to do. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description for the free signal room for your Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels by mentorship or the signal room, hit those links in the description. Before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. So the advanced play signal room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. and I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.